All right, we are outside of the Denver Convention Center garage. I filmed here once before, got a video of them working, and I got busted. Then I filmed again, and it was broken. So let's see if we can get an actual take here. Oh no, this one's working. It's working. That's true. Let's take a couple rides on these.
Yeah, just until they,
We'll take rides until they yell at us.
We don't need to go that far.
We'll take 2 rides.
That's funny, this building looks a lot more than just 3 floors.
Oh, it is. Look.
Yeah.
This is old ThyssenKrupp.
Yeah.
Did I tell you, this place started construction in the 80s.
Interesting.
Down we go.
Yeah. Let's just do...
We'll do 2 round trips.
Yeah. Do an indicator with the doors on this one.
It says BL in the express zone. I don't know why that is.
Oh yeah, it's interesting. This is an express zone.
Because look, they have space for more buttons.
I'll have to get a COP picture there.
Oh yeah, we'll switch spots. I'll look at the outside. We'll get a view when we're up there. There's no camera in the elevator, surprisingly.
No, there isn't. I wonder if BL used to be a different floor.
Let's see if we get busted. I call it. They're gonna come on the intercom.
Oh, they have an intercom?
Yeah, watch. They're gonna do it. Give it like 2 minutes. They will. Yeah, we don't have to be too long.
Let's just head down. Let's make it a goal to get out of here before they...
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's old key switch too.
All right.
All right, well, let's listen to the motor. I think I heard it start up earlier. Listen.
Okay.
Heard it?
Yeah.
It's definitely an AC motor.
All right.
Wow, we didn't get busted. Usually security in this garage is anal.
Well, we're out here. Hey, Sam, I've been stuck in the elevator.
Oh yeah. Hello security, thanks for not busting us. We appreciate it. And that's it.